Good morning, students. This is Sain Shah, Assistant Professor, Department of Business Administration, KCS Kasinada College of Arts and Science. Today, our subject Business Communication in the topic Modern Forms of Communication. Modern technology has come to exercise in over increasing impact on communication in recent times. More and more enterprises, large and small, are trying to incorporate the modern technology into their operations. Educational institutions use technology for teaching, and many academic courses thus include technology-based practical components in their curriculum. We now transmit and exchange information by email, fax, voicemail, social and business networking sites such as Twitter, Facebook, blogs, and WhatsApp, which are sites maintained by individuals. So, these are the known as modern forms of communication. First one, fax. Just as the conventional telephone carries voice, a fax or facsimile machine carries printed messages like words and pictures in photocopy form from the sender instruments to the receiver instrument. The sender of a fax message prepares the copy on a sheet, generally no larger than A4 sheet, which can be fed into the fax machine. He dials the destination number, gets the fax tone, and feeds the message into the machine. So this is known as fax, recent form of communication. Next one, internet and email. Internet is an international computer network that links computers from sectors such as government agencies, business houses, educational institutions, and individuals. It receives information, stores it, and allows it to be read on satisfying certain conditions. So, internet service providers (ISP), that is known as ISP, allow one to create the email ID free, hoping to recover the cost through the ads to which the user is exposed during the use of email. A typical email address reads, like for example, abcdef at xyz.com. Some other ISPs are BSNL, Yahoo, Hotmail, and Gmail. Next, move on to video conferencing and teleconferencing. This mode of communication begins in teleconferencing. A number of telephones are simultaneously connected to one another. Teleconferencing is a facility enabling people in different parts of the world to have an audio meeting, saving on transit time and hotel stay. It helps in thrashing out a variety of opinions on a subject to reach a faster conclusion. Next, video conferencing, however, is the closest it gets to seeing and hearing one another without being present together. So, students, I hope you understand in the modern forms of communication. Thank you.